Welcome to our culinary journey where we explore the art of cooking the perfect steak. A well-cooked steak can elevate any meal, making it a centerpiece of culinary delight. The importance of mastering this skill cannot be overstated, as it not only impresses guests, but also satisfies your own palate. In this video, we will delve into various cuts of steak, each with its unique flavor and texture. From the tender filet mignon to the flavorful ribeye and the classic sirloin, we will cover them all. Understanding these cuts is essential for selecting the right one for your dish. Whether you prefer a lean cut or one with rich marbling, knowing your options will set you on the path to steak perfection. So grab your apron and get ready to learn how to create a steak that's not just good, but unforgettable. To cook a perfect steak, having the right tools and equipment is crucial. Start with a heavy-duty skillet or cast iron pan, as they retain heat well and create an excellent sear. If you prefer grilling, ensure your grill is prepped and ready to go. A reliable meat thermometer is essential for achieving your desired doneness. It takes the guesswork out of cooking. Additionally, sharp knives and sturdy cutting boards are important for preparation and slicing. Tongs are preferable to forks for flipping the steak, as they prevent piercing the meat and losing juices. Don't forget about seasoning tools like salt and pepper shakers, or even a marinade brush if you choose to marinate. The right tools not only simplify the cooking process, but also enhance the overall quality of your steak. Investing in these essentials can significantly improve your cooking results and elevate your steak experience. When selecting the perfect cut of steak, several factors come into play. First, consider marbling, which refers to the fat interspersed within the meat. More marbling typically means a juicier, more flavorful steak. Next, thickness matters. Thicker cuts can be more forgiving during cooking, allowing for a perfect sear while keeping the inside tender. Personal preference is crucial as well. Some may prefer lean cuts like filet mignon, while others might enjoy the robust flavor of ribeye. For quality steak, look for reputable butchers or specialty meat shops, where you can often find grass-fed or hormone-free options. Local farmers markets can also be a great source of fresh, high-quality meat. Don't hesitate to ask for recommendations or advice from the staff, as they can guide you to the best choices based on your cooking style and taste preferences. This preparation sets the stage for a mouth-watering steak experience. Begin by bringing the steak to room temperature. This usually takes about 30 minutes. This step ensures even cooking throughout the meat. Next, season your steak generously with salt and pepper. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavors without overpowering them. For those looking to elevate the taste further, consider using optional marinades or rubs. A marinade can infuse the steak with additional flavors, while a dry rub can create a delicious crust when cooked. Popular ingredients for marinades include olive oil, garlic, and herbs, while dry rubs often feature spices like paprika, cumin, or brown sugar. Whichever method you choose, ensure that the steak is well coated and let it sit for a few minutes to absorb those flavors before cooking. Understanding these methods will elevate your steak cooking game. Grilling is a popular choice, imparting a smoky flavor and beautiful grill marks. It's perfect for outdoor cooking, but can be tricky in terms of temperature control. Pan searing is another excellent method, allowing for a delicious crust while keeping the inside juicy. However, it requires careful attention to avoid overcooking. Lastly, broiling is a great option for a quick cook using high heat from above. It's ideal for thicker cuts, but can lead to uneven cooking if not monitored closely. Each method has its pros and cons, so consider the cut of steak, your available equipment, and the flavor profile you desire. For instance, grilling is great for summer barbecues, while pan searing is perfect for a cozy indoor meal. To begin, preheat your pan or grill over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. A hot surface is essential for achieving that perfect sear. Once heated, add a small amount of oil with a high smoke point, like canola or avocado oil. Now carefully place the steak onto the heat source, ensuring it sizzles upon contact. Avoid moving it around. Let it sit for a few minutes to develop a crust. To achieve the perfect sear, resist the urge to flip the steak too soon. A good rule of thumb is to wait until you see juices pooling on the surface before turning it. This process locks in flavor and creates that desirable caramelized exterior. After searing, reduce the heat slightly to cook the steak evenly, allowing it to reach your desired doneness while maintaining that beautiful crust. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with these guidelines. For rare steak, aim for an internal temperature of 125 degrees F, cooking it for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Medium rare, the ideal choice for many, should reach 135 degrees F, with a cooking time of 3 to 4 minutes per side. If you prefer medium, target 145 degrees F, cooking for 4 to 5 minutes per side. For medium well, go for 150 degrees F, cooking 5 to 6 minutes per side. And finally, well-done steak should reach 160 degrees or higher, taking about 6 to 7 minutes per side. To ensure accuracy, using a meat thermometer is essential. Insert it into the thickest part of the steak, avoiding fat or bone. Wait for a few seconds for a reading. This tool eliminates guesswork, ensuring your steak is cooked to perfection every time. After cooking your steak, one crucial step often overlooked is resting. Resting allows the juices within the meat to redistribute, which is essential for achieving maximum flavor and tenderness. When you cook a steak, the heat causes the juices to move towards the center. If you cut into it right away, those flavorful juices will spill out, leaving you with a dry piece of meat. By letting the steak rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, you give the juices time to settle back into the fibers of the meat. This not only enhances the flavor, but also ensures a juicier bite. The result is a steak that's not only more delicious, but also visually appealing. So remember, patience is key. Resting your steak is a simple yet effective way to elevate your cooking and impress your guests with a perfectly juicy steak every time. Once your steak is perfectly cooked and rested, it's time to slice it. The way you cut your steak can significantly affect its tenderness and presentation. Always remember to cut against the grain. This means identifying the direction of the muscle fibers and slicing perpendicular to them. By doing this, you shorten the fibers, making each bite more tender and easier to chew. Aim for slices that are about ½ an inch thick. This thickness strikes a balance between tenderness and presentation. Additionally, using a sharp knife is crucial. A dull knife can tear the meat rather than create clean cuts. For an elegant presentation, arrange the slices slightly overlapping on the plate, showcasing the juicy interior. Finally, don't forget to drizzle any juices or sauces over the sliced steak to enhance flavor and visual appeal. Proper slicing elevates your steak experience significantly. To elevate your steak dinner, consider pairing it with delicious side dishes and sauces that enhance the overall experience. Classic choices include creamy mashed potatoes, which offer a rich contrast to the savory steak, and roasted vegetables like asparagus or Brussels sprouts, adding a healthy crunch. A fresh garden salad with a tangy vinaigrette can provide a refreshing balance. For a heartier option, try garlic butter mushrooms or sautéed spinach, which complement the steak's flavors beautifully. When it comes to sauces, a classic chimichurri brings a vibrant herbaceous kick, while a rich red wine reduction can add depth and sophistication. Barbecue sauce offers a sweet and smoky flavor, perfect for grilled steaks. Lastly, don't forget about a simple béarnaise sauce, which adds a luxurious touch. Combining these sides and sauces will create a well-rounded meal that delights the palate. Embrace the journey, and soon you'll master the art of steak cooking. First, choose the right cut, considering factors like marbling and thickness. Prepare your steak by bringing it to room temperature and seasoning it simply with salt and pepper. Next, select your cooking method, whether grilling, pan-searing, or broiling, and preheat your equipment. As you cook, monitor the steak's doneness using a meat thermometer, aiming for your preferred level. After cooking, let the steak rest to allow the juices to redistribute, enhancing flavor and tenderness. Finally, slice against the grain for the best texture. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experimenting with different cuts, seasonings, and cooking methods will help you discover your personal preferences. Until next time, happy cooking, and we can't wait to see you again. If you found these tips helpful and want to enhance your culinary skills further, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have a treasure trove of cooking tips and recipes waiting for you. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us create more content tailored to your cooking adventures. We also want to hear from you. Share your own steak cooking experiences in the comments below. Did you try a new method or seasoning? What's your favorite cut of steak? Your insights could inspire fellow cooking enthusiasts.